Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this super quick video I'm going to answer the question, how long exactly do baking cooking modes take on Panasonic Bread Makers? And that question is a little bit difficult to answer because of course it depends on what baking mode you select. The quickest and easiest way to find out how long the baking modes are going to take is by using the operating instructions for your model. Here we've got the SDYR2550. You can head on our support site, type in that model number, find the operating instructions, and somewhere in those first 15 or 20 pages of the operating instructions, you're going to find a big cooking mode table, and it's going to tell you all the times of the baking modes for this model. Just to give you an example, the longest cooking mode on this model is French bread. That's going to take around 5 hours 40. The basic bread is around 4 hours, and the rapid basic is 2 hours. At the same time, it's also going to make you gluten-free pasta dough in 15 minutes. So it really does depend on the cooking mode that you choose. I hope you found this useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.